Hey, so I recently got myself an early Christmas gift in the Jackery Explorer 240, and I'm excited to test it out and see if it will be enough battery to have kind of like a glamping situation for me and my girlfriend for one of our Christmas gifts. We're going to be going to Joshua Tree, and we have a lot of things we'd like to do there, and we need some power for it. So we're going to go ahead and run a test today to see if the Jackery can power all the things I plan on bringing out there. So as you can see from the box, it has 240 watt hours worth of storage, and it can be recharged with either the AC adapter or a solar panel, which I do have. And it says this image is reference only, but when you look at it, that's it. It's exactly what the box shows. So we're going to start off with it at 100%. I'm going to build the setup, and we're going to see how much juice is left at the end of it. I'm going to let the full setup run for about 3 or 4 hours and see how much juice is left. So the first thing I'm going to do is blow up my mattress in this tent. To use the AC outlet, you'll just press this button here. Once it goes green, you got power. A little pump. Let's run this baby. About 70 watts of output, and this can handle up to 400. It's at 91 now, but it'll go up to 400, which is great. Boom. Here are some lights powered by the Jackery. Then you're up to this sweet idea for a camp setup, all powered by the Jackery. Here's our nice little humble abode, all ready for the holidays. Look at that. Lights all over. Screen for movies. Charging phones. Charging Chromebooks. This beautiful area. And all of this, it's drawing anywhere from 60 to 70 watts. It's been going for about 25 minutes now. So a nice slow little drain. But yeah, it's working great. And I can't wait to go out to J-Tree and try this firsthand. Awesome job, Jackery.